Hello Snapchat fam. Ever feel like Snapchat is low-key stalking you? If you wanna keep your location private and stop people from seeing where you are on Snap Map, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to remove your location from Snapchat in just a few easy steps. So first open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Now hit that setting icon in the top right corner. Again, scroll down until you find See My Location. This is where Snapchat controls who can and can't see your location. Click on it. This is the magic button. Turn on Ghost Mode and you have disappeared from Snap Map. No one can see your location now, not even your besties. You are off the grid. You can also choose how long you want to stay in the ghost mode, like 3 hours, 24 hours until turn off. But wait, if you want to go in on privacy, head to your phone setting, find Snapchat, tap permission, and turn off location access completely. This way, Snapchat won't track you at all. And that's it. You have mastered the art of Snapchat invisibility. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more Snapchat tips.